Hi everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we deal with the idiom, a taste of your own medicine, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to experience the same negative effects to which you subjected others. Imagine an employee who never liked her colleague because he had been rude to her since she started working for the company, but she's going to be his manager after she recently achieved a promotion. I'm so happy I got the promotion I was chasing for so long, and I'm going to give that guy a taste of his own medicine now that I'm his manager. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. One of the children finally stood up to the schoolyard bully. I'll give you a taste of your own medicine if you don't leave me alone. The opposing fans were mocking the player throughout the game until he scored a goal. They got a taste of their own medicine from his fans when he scored. It was great. The man broke up with his ex-girlfriend very abruptly and got a new partner shortly afterwards. But then she broke up with him. He got a taste of his own medicine when she dumped him. Now he knows how it feels. Now here are some more examples, this time in professional situations. The woman was smiling when one of her colleagues failed in their promotion interview. But when her chance came around, she didn't succeed either. I got a taste of my own medicine. I shouldn't have been happy to see my colleague fail. The man had a really dysfunctional way of managing his team until upper management kept a closer eye on how things were being run. I think our manager will finally get a taste of his own medicine when they see what he's been up to. Every time his performance review meeting came around, his manager always found a fault in his work, no matter how well he did the previous month. I'll give him a taste of his own medicine when I meet with the regional manager about him next week. Where did you hear the expression, a taste of his own medicine? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.